大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. In our last video about David and Lily, David was explaining to his girlfriend Lily about the misunderstanding she had with him. Do check out this video titled I Am Innocent if you are interested to follow their story. In this episode, David is going to bring Lily somewhere to propose to her. Where do you think he is bringing her? Do you think Lily will accept his proposal? Let's find out.
你到底要带我去哪里？坐了这么久的车，怎么还没到？
快到了，快到了！你稍安勿躁。
干嘛神神秘秘的？你要是再胡来，我可不会饶你。
绝对不是你想的那样。不要生气，听听音乐吧。
你平时都不听这类型的歌曲，今天怎么了？
你不是喜欢吗？从今天起，我只做你喜欢的。
真的是太阳从西边出来了。
到了，我们下车吧。
你怎么带我到这儿？
这里风景美啊，我们还可以吹吹海风。
你不是有病吧？这么热的天，带我来海边吹海风？再说，我们的穿着也不适合。我们还是走吧。
你不想吹海风，那我们到那儿走走吧。那儿比较阴凉，还可以去喝杯咖啡。丽丽，你看那边，很漂亮，不是吗？
可能是有人在那儿搞什么活动吧，布置的还挺不错的。
不然我们过去看看。
还是别去了，要是干扰到别人，那就不好了。
不会的，我们只是去看看。丽丽，嫁给我吧。
大卫，你在搞什么？你是不是被海风吹昏了头？
绝对不是。我想了很久，我觉得我们是该结婚了。
可是，我还没做好心理准备，太突然了。
难道你不爱我吗？你不想和我一起有自己的家吗？
我不是不爱你，我也不是不想和你有个家，但是我们现在的经济基础不是很稳定，事业也刚刚才起步，是不适合结婚的。
你说的没错，但是你之前不是为了我妹妹的事误会我了吗？我想让你安心，所以才想到结婚的。
结婚是儿戏吗？我们如果因为这事就结婚，将来一定会后悔的。
好吧，全听你的。那我们去喝咖啡？
这次的准备花了不少钱吧？
没多少，$500而已。
$500？你如果再这样乱花钱，我就和你分手。
又提分手。
注释 Notes 稍安勿躁 稍安勿躁 is a Chinese idiom that has the meaning of be patient, don't be anxious, or take it easy, don't rush. In English, it is often used to remind someone to remain calm and not to be overly anxious when dealing with a situation that may be stressful or demanding. Shao, it means a little or a bit. It's often used to indicate a small amount or degree of something. It is a written language. 请稍后再来，稍等一下。躁 it means restless, impatient, or agitated. While the radical for 躁 is 足. 足 depicts the image of a person stomping or stamping his or her feet in a fit of impatience or agitation. 胡来 Hu Lai is a Chinese colloquial phrase that has a range of meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Number one, Hu Lai describes someone whose behavior is reckless and not following the rules, suggesting a lack of order or discipline. Number two, Hu Lai describes someone who is doing things without planning or considerations. Number three, Hu Lai describes someone who is not taking things seriously, someone who likes to fool around. 李老师是个严肃的人，在他面前，你可别胡来。Teacher Lee is a stern person. Don't mess around in front of him. 太阳从西边出来. This phrase literally means the sun rises from the west. This phrase is used figuratively to describe something that is completely unexpected or goes against the natural order of things. It is similar to when pigs fly in English. 再说再说 has the meaning of again, moreover, or besides. Sentence example. 我听不清楚，你可以再说一遍吗？I can't hear clearly. Can you say it again? 这件事很难办。再说，我也没能力。This matter is very difficult to handle. Besides, I don't have the capability. 被昏了头 is a Chinese expression used to describe a situation where a person's judgment or thinking has been clouded by his or her emotion, influence, or event. It implies that the person is not thinking rationally due to the impact of something. 他是不是被钱冲昏了头，连坏事都敢做？Has he been blinded by money to the point where he dares to do even bad things? 儿戏 is a Chinese term that literally translates to child's play or children's games. It describes a situation where a person treats an important issue to be something simple or not worth paying attention to. 结婚是终身大事，不要把它当儿戏，要想清楚。Marriage is a lifelong commitment. Don't treat it as child's play. You must think carefully. 今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。